In this video, we are going to look on how to connect Memefi to MetaMask. First, open up your Memefi account. Then tap here on Wallet. Then tap on Main. Tap on Deposit. And copy this wallet address by tapping here. Now you have to open up MetaMask, go to Assets and choose the option to withdraw. Then paste the copied address under the wallet address box. Choose Ethereum as your crypto and select Linea as the network. This transaction will only be successful if you keep the network as Linea. Then type the amount of crypto you want to transfer and complete the transaction. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.